A few months ago, I started a faceless finance channel from scratch. Today, it has over 11,000 subscribers, and in the last 28 days alone, it made more than $400 with less than 40,000 views. And the crazy part? I didn't use expensive software, hire an editor, or even show my face. I did this with 100% free AI tools. Most people already know that finance is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube. That's why channels like Nick Invest and Bob's Invest pull in millions of views every month. But recently, a new style of finance content has started blowing up. For example, this channel, Willy Finance, gained over 23,000 subscribers with only around 30 videos, and its most popular video has over 400,000 views. And it's not the only one. Channels like Owen Wealth are using the exact same strategy and growing incredibly fast. So in this video, I'm going to break down the entire process and show you how to create these finance videos step by step using completely free AI tools. Now, the first thing we need is a script. To generate one, head over to Google AI Studio and paste in the prompt I've provided below. This prompt is specifically designed to train the AI to create highly engaging scripts that keep viewers watching until the very end. Once you've pasted the prompt, the AI will ask for a video idea. At this point, you can enter any finance topic you want. For this example, I'm going to use this video idea right here. Within a few seconds, Gemini generates a complete script for us. As you can see, the script already includes a strong hook, smooth transitions, and a clear structure. Of course, you don't have to use the script exactly as it is. Feel free to make changes, add your own ideas, or tweak certain sections to match your style and make the content even better. Now that we have our script, it's time to create the visuals. To generate visuals similar to channels like Willy Finance and Owen Wealth, we first need to teach AI the art style they're using. And the reason most people fail to copy this style is because they generate random images instead of training the AI to understand the art style first. To save time, I've already done this process, but I'll quickly show you how it works. First, head over to ChatGPT and upload one of the reference images I've provided in the Google Docs linked in the description. Then, use a prompt like this. Give me different variations of this character while keeping the exact same art style. ChatGPT will generate multiple versions of the character. Simply choose the one you like the most. Next, use this prompt right here to generate image prompts in the same style. Now, before generating an entire video's worth of visuals, we need to test those prompts. For that, head over to Google Flow. As you can see, I've already generated all the visuals for this video, but let me quickly show you the process. Copy one of the example prompts, paste it into Flow, upload the reference image, and select Nano Banana 2. Because it will let you generate unlimited images. Within a few moments, Flow generates an image that closely matches the original art style. Once you've tested a few prompts and you're happy with the results, go back to ChatGPT and paste in your entire script. Then use this prompt right here. ChatGPT will break the script down scene by scene and generate visual prompts for every part of the video. And from this point, it's simple. Take those scene prompts, put them into Google Flow using the same method I just showed you, and generate all the visuals you'll need for your video. Now that we have all of our visuals, the next step is generating the voiceover. For this type of finance content, I highly recommend using your own voice whenever possible. From my experience, viewers in this niche tend to trust creators more when they hear a real human voice. However, if you don't want to record your own voice, that's completely fine. You can use 11 Labs, which is one of the most realistic AI voice generators available right now. Simply paste your script into the text-to-speech section, choose a voice you like, and generate the audio. Once it's ready, listen through the entire voiceover and make sure everything sounds natural before moving on.
You have $10. It's the price of a takeout coffee.
And now we have everything we need. The final step is editing the video. Thankfully, these videos are very simple to edit. All you need to do is match the visuals with the voiceover, add some smooth transitions, and include captions to keep viewers engaged. Since the editing process is pretty repetitive, I'm going to fast forward through it and show you the final result. But before I do, remember that none of the tools I showed in this video cost any money. Everything was created using free AI tools. Now, let's take a look at the finished video.
You have $10. It's the price of a takeout coffee. It's a streaming subscription you forgot to cancel. It is by all financial metrics an insignificant amount of money.
And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe, because I regularly share AI tools, YouTube growth strategies, and content creation tutorials that can help you build and grow your own channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.